Hey guys, so welcome back. So today's video is a part one of the bedroom makeover. I want to take you guys along on the process so you can see how everything is done. I also partnered up with a Lull on this video. You guys will get to see the unboxing of this beautiful mattress later on in this video. So here is the room that I'll be making over. This is our guest room. It's been a catch-all room and an exercise room. We've been using my son's room as the guest room. Let me know if you can relate. He now wants his room back. So I will be starting off with painting this wall, priming this orange wall so that I can paint the room all the same color. I also want to change the flooring, take out the rug, and possibly put in a laminate or a vinyl. This rug has been here since we moved in, and I think it's time for a change, and I'm really looking forward to that. And the paint that I'll be using for the room is actually a leftover paint from when I did my hallway. This is the Sherwin-Williams Repose Gray. I use it a lot in my home, so I really like this color a lot, and I think it will be perfect for the space. So this is a leftover paint, and this paint here is going to be for the baseboard, which also needs to be painted because it is, it needs to be painted. And I also picked up some painting supplies that I'll be using to complete this project. So here's the other side of this room. So I'm thinking about putting the bed on this side of the wall so that I can have the whole wall to work with. But because I have the door right there, I'm not really sure if it's gonna work. So I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this. But if that doesn't work, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bed on this other side. My only concern with this side is that that window is right there, and I didn't really want a window. I wanted to be able to put mirrors on the wall above my nightstand. But you know what? We'll figure it out when we get there. But I'm really excited to start this project. So I'm going to start with priming this orange wall white, and then I'll paint the room all the same color. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So this is what I'm using to cut in on the corners of my wall. I am priming first because I want to be able to only use one coat of my Sherwin-Williams paints because it's a little bit more expensive. So I started off by priming my wall first white, and then I used my Sherwin-Williams to cut in on all the corners of the wall in that room. And this is what it looks like so far. The paint does look a little darker than I was expecting. I'm not really sure if it's because of the way the sun is hitting the wall, but I'm gonna go ahead and do everything, and then we'll look at the color to see what it looks like. I was going for a darker wall because I wanted to be a little bit more cozy. So here is the wall all painted. I think I like the color a lot. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. So we started taking out the flooring. So we're taking out the rug. So I decided to take a trip to Home Depot to figure out what flooring I wanted to get. So I finally went with vinyl because it's better than laminate. And I found a color that I feel like would work really well for the room. So here is the one that I decided to go with. So the next project, of course, would be to put that in. So we did that the same day, and this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful, guys. I really love this flooring. It is gorgeous. It is so different from the flooring that we have in the rest of our house. We have a darker, like espresso hardwood. So this is something different, and I really love it a lot. It brings a lot of warmth to the space. And I can't wait to fully utilize the space. It is so beautiful right now with the painting and the flooring. So the next step I'll show you guys will be the unboxing of my Lull mattress. So this is how it came in the mail, guys. This is a queen size bed. Like, how do you fit a queen size bed in a box? Oh my gosh. So we went ahead and we took the mattress out of the box. So this is how it comes in the box. It comes with special instructions, and it gives you more information about the company, which I really like. It tells you more about the mattress if you wanted more information about it. I can't wait to bring it out of the box. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So I had my son and my husband help me out with this. So this is what it comes in. This is a queen size mattress. Like, I am so excited to put this on the bed just to see how it'll transform into an actual mattress. So this is what it looks like. We went ahead and we cut out the plastic that was holding in the mattress, and it started to rise. Oh my gosh, like I'm so in love with this mattress. It is beautiful. I love it. This is a queen size bed, and it just kind of rose up to a queen size bed, and it looks really good in this guest room. I can't wait for it to fully rise. You have to give it at least 24 hours to fully rise. So that is what I'm gonna do. And it is so soft, guys. Super, super soft. And the kids are already in love with it. They think that this is gonna be their room, but no, it's going to be a guest room. I had my kids test it out just to see how they like it. And it's all positive reviews. They love it.
We love Lull.
So watch out for part 2 of the actual reveal. It will be a Christmas edition. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you, Lull, for this collaboration. I look forward to sharing the actual reveal with you guys. You guys have a blessed week. Bye.